Hello, dear friends. Myself, Anil Hatkar. Today, I'm going to talk about the number system. Dear friends, you know that what is the number system, but today we are going to talk about it in detailed manners. Okay. In the number system, a very important thing that is we deal some numbers. For example, with decimals, and some numbers are without decimal. So there is one big question that which numbers are in without decimal and which numbers are in with decimal. Okay, so there are some numbers which are we are we deal with some numbers in without decimal number. For example, natural number, natural numbers. Okay, so these all natural numbers are without decimal, and then after also we have whole numbers, whole numbers. Also whole numbers are without decimals, and then after we have some integers, integers. Okay, so what is the natural number? We know that the all counting number is said to be a natural number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity, so on. Okay, and what are the whole numbers? Whole number is nothing but just we have added a zero in the natural number, and we write all the things like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity, so on. Okay, what are the integers? We know all the integers. Actually, my dear friends, you all are know about the number system and number line. Okay, in the number line, at the middle of the number line there is a 0 and 1, 2, 3, up to infinity, so on. These all are positive numbers. Okay, and -1, -2, -3, and so on. Okay, so this is a number line, and the numbers lies on this number line. All the numbers are integers. Okay, so the positive integers, these are positive integers, and these are negative integers. Okay, negative integers. So what are the positive integers and what are the negative integers? For example, 1, 2, 3, up to infinity, so on, these all are positive integers, and -1, -2, -3, all are negative integers. Okay, so what is 0? Whether it is positive or negative, 0 is neither positive nor negative. It plays a neutral role. Okay, so these all are without decimals. So let's talk about the with decimal numbers. For example, we have some rational numbers. Look at here, we have rational numbers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. Number. For example, if before talking about the rational number, first of all, we have to understand the definition of rational number. Then what is a rational number? Okay, what is a rational number? Rational number's definition is P by Q. Q is not equal to 0. This is the first condition. And the second thing is that in the rational number, it is non-terminating. Okay, it is non-terminating. Non-terminating. Okay, and then after, the third condition is that it is also terminating. Terminating, but I have to make you one thing understand, that maybe it is a non-terminating, but it is also repeating. Non-terminating and repeating. What is it? Non-terminating, non-terminating and repeating. Repeating. What is repeating? For example, we will talk about one example. For example, if we divide a 7 by 2, what we will get? First of all, we will divide the 7 by the 2. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so what is the remainder? We get 1 as a remainder. Now we will write here 0. Because of 0, we will put a point here. And then after 2 5s are 10. Okay, what is it? Actually, this is a terminating decimal. Okay, this is a terminating decimal. Okay, it is a terminating decimal. And what is the non-terminating decimal? For example, right now we have one another example. 10 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so what is the remainder? 1. We will write here 0 and put the point. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 1, 0. 3 3s are 9. So on, we get the points so on. 0 to 3.0, 3.3333, so on up to infinity. It means that it is non-terminating and repeating. Repeating means 3 is repeating here, so that's why even we can write this decimal as 3.3 bar. Okay, so the meaning of this bar is this 3 is repeating again and again. Okay, so this is all about the rational number. Okay, so in the next topic we will talk about the irrational number. Thank you so much.